Good morning. Today is day 23 of school closures for our district. Checking in with you today on Monday. I have amazing news. Today I know for a fact that we have earned a pizza party and a free tablet. You did it! Congratulations to all of you. I got the official message that we have completed our pizza party challenge or earned 2,000 points. We're way past 2,000 points. Let's be honest. This weekend we had a boatload of students log into MobyMax that just helped push us right over the edge. So we most definitely will be earning that pizza party and the free tablet for the classroom. In fact, I have an email that says it's on its way. So that's great. I'm not exactly sure when and how we're going to do the pizza party, but students and families, it'll be in the fall probably because of Governor Evers' most recent statements about schools and the timelines and everything for Safer at Home. So that'll be coming. I'll figure it out. And here are some people that helped us get there. Aaliyah helped us get there. Amara helped us get there. Briar, good job. Brody logged in this weekend. Evan, Jackson, Tyson, great job. Kenneth logged in this weekend. Natalie and Talon also logged in since I checked on Friday. Great work. Now, if you're wondering who had the most points, there is a first, second, and third place. And here it is. First place for the most points earned towards our pizza party goes to Aaliyah. Good job, Aaliyah. Second place for the second most points earned goes to Kenneth. Good job, Kenneth. And third place, and our only second grader to make the top of the leaderboard, Brody. Good job. Brody had the third most points out of the entire group, and we have 28 students logging into MobyMax. So out of 28, good job, everybody. So that's that. It's looking to be a beautiful day. Try to get outdoors. I'm hoping to drop our kindness rocks today because it's nice out. It's not so squishy and mucky and wet, and I'm hoping that part of the town has dried out a little bit. So get outdoors and maybe you'll find one. Second graders and writing. Work on your Monday journals. You should be getting some more information from your teachers about what to do in the coming weeks, so be on the lookout for that. Families, it'll probably get pushed to you via email. Third grade math. Third grade math. Classwork. You have a new lesson this week. We're pushing to lesson 6.11. So, lesson 6.11 is about two-step number stories. So, in your workbook, third grade math, we should be through page 216 by the end of the week. These are my math boxes on page 216. Boop. And before that, we have some work that your teachers will be pushing out to you about number models for multi-step problems. So that's coming your way. Now, a quick tip from me to you, if you're having a hard time seeing the story in your brain, is to sketch it out or grab some items to lay out so that you can kind of see that in your head. Shall we look at an example real quick? Let's do that. So here's an example. Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers and there are 5 crackers in each pack. So first you'd have to figure out that step. Can you see that in your brain? If not, draw 2 boxes and put 5 in each. Okay, then you know how many crackers he's starting with. So that's 5 and 5 is, that'd be 10, right? So then we find out that he ate some of his crackers. So if he ate some of his crackers, we're going to add or subtract, multiply or divide. What do you think? If he ate them, they're not coming back, so there's less. So he ate some. But it says now he has 7 crackers left. So we don't know how many he ate. So if we don't know how many he ate, we're going to have to find the difference of that missing number. So how many crackers did he eat is the question. Now that's a little different than telling us exactly how many he ate and asking us what's left, but it's still the same type of oh my goodness, it's still the same type of problem. So you are still going to use subtraction, most likely. Otherwise, you could use a number grid to find the difference or something like that. So third graders, that's quick tips from me to you for the start of the week. Second graders, again, you should be getting some classwork for math pushed out to you. Be looking for that. Otherwise, if you haven't seen that yet and you're all done with all the other stuff, then what I want you to do is go ahead and log into MobyMax. Yes, our challenge is done, but we still have tons of lessons that we can be working on. If you're not seeing lessons or not seeing assignments in math, let me know. I can push some more out to you. That being said, we're going to move on to reading. So if you are a math or writing student who doesn't have interest in our reading lesson, then you can be excused. Readers, let's get ready. Second grade reading. We're going to work a little bit more on some phonics skills. Last week we talked about initial phonemes and adding and deleting some of those, and today we're going to do some similar work. But we're going to be using the blends right off the bat instead of kind of building or taking away from the blends. So I'm going to say a word. I'd like you to say the same word. Then I'm going to tell you to change the word. I'm going to tell you to change the very beginning, okay? So say the word shake. Good. Now, change sh to burr. What word do you get? You should have built break. Now repeat break. Change burr to full. What do you get? Full. Ache. Flake. We're going to use this process to make a word ladder, and we're going to go right down the line. So now say flake. Change full to sn. What do you get? Snake. Say snake. Change sn to st. What do you get? Same ending. Ache, ache, ache. St. Ache. Steak. Say steak. Change st to bowl. What do you get? Bowl. Blake. Do you know anyone named Blake? It's a name. Say slide. We're going to shift gears. Say slide. Change soul to burr. Soul to burr. So now we have the "-ide" ending. Burr, "-ide." What did you get? Good. Say bride. Change burr to gul. What do you get? Glide. Say glide. Change gul to fur. Fur. What do you get? Fried. Say fried. Change fur to chur. What did you get? Tried. Say tried. Change tur to cur. What did you get? Cur-eyed. That's right. You get cried. Good job. We'll do some more of these this week, but for now, second graders, you're finished. If you'd like to stick around and see the new sight words for the third grade list, please do. Third graders, I hope you're listening. You're up. Here are the last few words from the third grade sight word list. Repeat after me. Your. Years. Yellow. Wood. You. Yes. Right. Those are our words for the week. And the last list, 25 for third grade reading. So we're almost done with those. Now we've got some new vocabulary this week as well. We're going on to Unit 5, Week 5. Let's take a look at what we've got. The first word is purple, so it's for review. Say bacteria. Bacteria are very tiny living things that cause disease. A microscope is used to study bacteria. What's my word? Another purple word. We should already know this, but let's review. Available. Something that is available is not being used by anyone. Seats are available for the movie. What's my word? Good job. Let's look at some red words. These would be on the test. These will be new words we'll use this week. Renewable. Something that is renewable can be made again. Trees are a renewable resource because more will always grow. What's my word? Produce. To produce is to make or create something. The sun can produce enough solar power to heat this family's home. What's my word? Produce. Traditional. Something traditional is most common or expected. Cho and her mother like to eat traditional foods such as rice and fish. What's my word? Replace. To replace is to take the place of. Soon, Tina will replace her car with one that runs on electricity. What's my word? Pollution. Pollution is harmful materials that make something dirty. Water pollution, such as garbage and chemicals, can harm animals. What's my word? Sources. Sources are where things come from. Wind and solar power are two energy sources we can use. What's my word? Natural. When something is natural, it is found in nature and not made by people. Cotton is a natural material used to make clothes. What's my word? And one more, we have energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Good food gives Ron and his grandpa lots of energy to work together. What's my word? Great job. Now let's take a look at the story for the week. This week's story is called The Fuel of the Future. It is a Lexile 680. So families, if you're looking for good fit books for your third grader, a Lexile of 680 should be doable. This book is an expository text, so is it fiction or nonfiction? Obi needs to take a little break. There we go. Okay, so expository text is nonfiction. It is real. Our essential question for this week will be, what are different kinds of energy? So we'll be studying different kinds of energy this week. And I'll show you a couple quick pictures because these are pretty jazzy. So I'm excited to read that with you later this week. That is going to be it for today. Thanks for joining Obi and I, hanging out on a Monday morning. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.